Egypt's history stretches back thousands of years. The ancient Egyptians settled by the Nile River. They built magnificent pyramids as tombs for their pharaohs. These pyramids stand as marvels of ancient engineering today. Hieroglyphics were the unique writing system of ancient Egypt. They used papyrus, a type of paper, to document their lives. The Egyptians created beautiful art and statues of their gods. Their pantheon included gods like Ra, Osiris, and Isis. The Sphinx guards the pyramids with its mysterious gaze. Throughout its history, Egypt experienced many dynasties and rulers. Ramses II, a famous pharaoh, expanded the empire significantly. Cleopatra VII was one of Egypt's most iconic and last queens. The Rosetta Stone helped decode Egypt's ancient language. In 332 BC, Alexander the Great conquered Egypt. Then, the Romans ruled, marking Egypt as a key province. Today, Egypt's history attracts tourists from around the world.